Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Podcast.
Hello, we are so happy you are here today.
My name is Jack.
And I'm Lily.
Today, we will learn useful English for asking a neighbor for help.
This is a very useful topic because everyone needs help sometimes.
You will learn simple English that you can use in real life.
Don't worry if you are a beginner.
We will speak slowly and clearly.
Let's begin.
Hello, Lily.
Hi, Jack.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well.
That's good to hear.
Can I ask you a favor?
Of course, what do you need?
I need a little help.
No problem.
I have a heavy box.
I can help you carry it.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
The box is in my car.
Let's go and get it.
It's a little heavy.
We can carry it together.
That's a good idea.
Where do you want to put it?
Please put it in the living room.
Sure.
Thank you for helping me.
I'm happy to help.
You are a kind neighbor.
Thank you.
Would you like some water?
Yes, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Would you like some coffee?
That would be nice.
Please come in.
Your home is beautiful.
Thank you very much.
It is very comfortable.
I appreciate your help today.
Anytime.
If you ever need help, just let me know.
Thank you, I will.
It is nice to have good neighbors.
I agree.
Have a wonderful evening.
You too. See you later.
See you. Now let's practice useful English sentences.
Great.
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
Can I ask you a favor?
Can you ask me a favor?
I need some help.
I need some help.
Could you carry this box?
Could you carry this box?
It's very heavy.
It's very heavy.
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
I really appreciate it.
I really appreciate it.
No problem.
No problem.
I'm happy to help.
I'm happy to help.
Please come in.
Please come in.
Would you like some water?
Would you like some water?
Let me know if you need anything.
Let me know if you need anything.
Have a great day.
Have a great day.
Let's learn some useful words.
Ready?
Neighbor.
A person who lives near you.
Favor.
A kind thing you ask someone to do.
Help.
To do something for another person.
Carry.
To move something with your hands.
Heavy.
Not easy to lift.
Living room.
A room where people sit and relax.
Apartment.
A home in a large building.
Doorbell.
You press it before entering a home.
Ladder.
A tool for reaching high places.
Tool.
Something you use to fix or build things.
Today, let's learn could you.
We use it to ask politely for help.
Could you help me?
Could you carry this box?
Could you open the door?
Very polite.
Now, let's learn can I.
We use it to ask for permission.
Can I ask you a favor?
Can I borrow your ladder?
Can I come in?
Easy and useful.
Now let's practice together.
Repeat slowly.
Neighbor.
Neighbor.
Favorite.
Favorite.
Carry.
Carry.
Comfortable.
Comfortable.
Appreciate.
Appreciate.
Excellent.
Keep practicing every day.
Hello, Lily.
Hi, Jack.
Could you help me with these bags?
Of course.
Thank you.
Where should I put them?
Please put them on the kitchen table.
No problem.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome.
Would you like some tea?
Yes, please.
Here you are.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice evening.
You too. Goodbye.
Lily, how do you politely ask a neighbor for help?
Could you help me?
Excellent.
Jack, how do you ask someone to carry a box?
Could you carry this box?
Great.
How do you thank someone politely?
Thank you for your help.
Perfect. Everyone listening, how would you invite your neighbor inside? Say it out loud now. Have you ever asked a neighbor for help?
Tell us about it in the comments.
Which sentence from today's lesson is your favorite?
Write it below and practice it today.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video.
And subscribe for more Easy English podcasts every week.
Today we learned useful English for asking a neighbor for help.
We practiced asking politely, offering help, saying thank you, and having a friendly conversation.
These are sentences you can use in everyday life.
Practice them a little every day.
The more you speak, the more confident you will become.
Don't be afraid to make mistakes, just keep speaking.
Thank you for learning with us today.
We hope to see you again in our next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, have a wonderful day, and keep practicing your English.